SCM supply chain knowledge sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called MBWA. What does it mean? It is to manage by walking around. So management, it's a strategy where managers leave their desk and walk around the workplace to understand employees and their ongoing work in a better way. It requires a random or unstructured schedule, such as that staff is not expecting a check-in at a pre-approved time and the managers get a real sample of what is going on. This management style, also referred to as management by wandering around or abbreviated to MBWA. Implementing this method leads to unplanned employee interaction where managers gain new information. This could be about issues, routines, customers, equipment, workflows, or many other aspects of business operations. Managers that keep themselves to their office limit the information they receive and how it gets to them. They have to wait for employees to proactively come to them or learn through status report or staff meeting. By creating spontaneous interaction and randomly sampling the work employees perform, MBWA better reflects the workplace for the people overseeing it. Plus, managers themselves available to staff in a more informal setting, allowing them to ask questions directly with the employees. While this technique may sound time consuming or too unstructured, when implemented correctly by managers with the required skill set, it can add real value. The aim of management by walking around is to understand the workforce better and learn how team is operating firsthand. MBWA aims to bring managers and employees together, breaking down boundaries, improving communication, and giving leaders an accurate picture of daily operations. This produces better informed decision making as well as greater productivity and employee morale. Examples could be very simple, such as helpful advice with how to deal with a customer or a issue, connecting an employee with their counterpart in a different department to remedy a problem, discovering faulty equipment that needs replacing, learning about a new bottleneck potentially delaying a deadline, assessing employee morale. These are simple examples for this method. Thanks for watching. Bye.